Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, hello, you are welcome. Take a seat. I hope you like this video. And to everyone who's part of my family, hello, welcome back. Mwah. I hope you had an amazing week. Okay, so let's just get straight into this, guys. So today we are doing first impressions of the album, The Lion King, The Gift. I think it's Beyonce's album. Yeah, I think that's the case. I think it's Beyonce's album. I don't think it's the official Lion King soundtrack. If it is, then I'm sorry, my bad. But anyways, I hope you guys are excited. I still haven't gone to watch the movie. I was supposed to go yesterday. I didn't do that. And I was like, oh, there's a monkey in there. Guys, ini ikoka umgqomo. Hi guys. Sisi! Ningaphumi kukwinkawe yadini. Khoba festileni ujonga umgqomo. Khoba festileni ujonga umgqomo izobona. Ningaphumi hey. Imfene.
Mfene. Inkawu.
Ewe, phana, yithi molo kwicamera. Yithi molo. Babayisi.
Hayibo.
This is got umgqomo. I really hope you guys like the video. I can definitely tell you that I've already heard Spirit. I've seen the music video, and yeah, so with that, so I've heard it, but this is the first impressions of the entire album, and a few other songs that I might like or might not like. We'll see how I feel about the album. So let's get into it. I'm not doing like the whole, like every song like till the end, because that'll take forever. So we'll just listen to like a few minutes and then see where that takes us.
Everything you see exists together in a delicate balance. You need to understand that balance and respect all the creatures, from the crawling ant to the leaping antelope. We are all connected in the great circle of life.
Okay, the song is bigger.
If you feel insignificant, you better think again. Better wake up because you're part of something way bigger. You're part of something way bigger. Not just a speck in the universe, not just some words in a Bible verse. You are the living word. You're part of something way bigger. Bigger than you, bigger than we, bigger than the picture they framed us to see. But now we see it. It ain't no secret, no.
Let me tell you something my father told me. Look at the stars. The great kings of the past look down on us from those stars. So whenever you feel alone, just remember, those kings will always be up there to guide you. And so will I.
Daddy used to take me walking down the street. Daddy used to take my hand, say follow me. Daddy used to leave me back home all the time. I got big enough to run around, Daddy left me outside. He said find your way back. Baby, what, but you got it, baby. Find your way back. Don't let this life drive you crazy. Find your way back. Come back home to the street like some. Find your way back. Don't let this stuff drive you crazy. Find your way back. Come back home for the street lights on. Find your way back. Find your way back. Find your way back.
It's a jam.
Go back to your den, Simba. I don't babysit.
From start of the week to the weekend, I know they have for corner. Footwork right for one. If you get the night, don't me. I want to get the yacht done. Sheep don't run with lion. Snake don't swing with monkey. I can't talk for too long. Got 2 months go to try on. Sheep don't run with lion. Snake don't swing with monkey. I can't talk for too long. Got 2 months go to try on. Jealousy. Don't feel jealousy. That's that jealousy. Don't you come for me.
Simba, Oga, Sadie, Chama, Mansa, Oba, Yaro, Kero.
Sheep don't run with lion. Snake don't swing with monkey. I can't talk for too long. Got 2 months go to try on. Sheep don't
There's a
run with
jam.
lion. Snake don't swing with monkey. I can't talk for too long.
This is a jam.
This must be it. Come on! Simba, get down. It could be dangerous. Danger? Ha! I laugh in the face of danger.
Anyway.
The body go rest you. Battle begin you. The body go rest you. The body go rest you. Look around and all the places you go to. Stand your ground and stay solid like Gogo. Watch your back and just do what you're supposed to. Take care of family and people you're close to. Never the bad passenger. Don't go down your own lesson. Everybody keep on searching. Miraculous blessing. You go back for the lost you. If you don't know yourself, you go lost you. If you get the money, you be trust you. I'm a nobody, only know I trust you. The body go rest you. Battle begin you. The body go rest you. The body go rest you. The gun go come rescue. The ready go come rescue. You know go forget you. So you get the concept. They will tell you watch out, and you go watch out on the road, watch out for them hyenas, watch out. Simba, what have you done?
It was a stampede. He tried to save me. It was an accident. What am I gonna do?
Run away, Simba, and never return.
One time I took a swim in the Nile. I swam the whole way, I didn't turn around, and I swear it made me relax when I came down. That's some good. Got the now running through my body. Look at my natural, I'm so exotic. Dark are the berries, sweet are the fruits. Deep are the wounded, deep are the roots. Ruby and lost and brown, I'm lounging in it. I'm tending deep, I said I'm drowning in it. I'm in me now, deep in me now. I'm in me now, deep in me now.
Who are you?
I'm Pumbaa. This is Timon. Look, kid, bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right?
Right.
Run! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world. Only embrace what's next and turn the what into so what.
That's not what I was taught.
Well, then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me, kid. Hakuna Matata.
I know my enemy pray on me, so pray for me. Tick, tick, wait on it. Keeping down my body count. I'm finessing like a trap bounce, yeah. Cause every day above ground is a blessing. I done leveled up now, few panoramic. None of my fears can go where I'm headed. At the time to lose, now lose, pressure living, yeah. I'm about to blood on my sinner. It really time to go for, go move, don't go, no, sinner. You can dim my light. Cause when we walk up in the blood, I need the sirens going out. Then we can look up in the sky. Tears we cry like it's know that we alive, yeah. It give me goosebumps every time I throw up my diamond. Together we big time, and don't make me have to remind ya. I got my cup to the heavens. Another night I won't remember. Promise this my move forever. Promise this my move forever, ever. President on the vessel. Got a feeling unforgettable. Promise this my move forever. Promise this my move forever, forever and ever.
No?
Simba? Is that really you?
Yep.
Yeah. Baby, oh, I'm not much of a talker. Baby, oh, can I drink from the water? Baby, oh, meet me down by the river. We can dance to the rhythm till the sun is high and the water.
So I can show you the light. Just see if you ever leave, I'll be right by your side. Oh, for you I'm right.
Baby, oh,
I'm not much of a talker.
baby, oh,
I drink from the water.
baby, oh.
Meet down by the river. Can't dance to the rhythm. Till the sun is high and the water is dry.
Skin girl, your skin just like pearls. Best thing in the world. No change for anybody else in brown skin girl. Your skin just like pearls. The best thing in the world. I never change it for anybody else singing.
She says she really good boy like me. Don't believe in nothing but the Almighty. Just a little jeans and a pure whitey. She never
It sounds like a South African song.
She wanna be a pretty
It sounds so much like a South African song.
Then you like a feeling cause she got in a way. Tonight I am walking
Hey.
Light up my mind and I grind. Tonight I might fall in love. Depending on how you hold me. I'm glad that I'm calming down. Can't let no one come control me. Keep dancing and call it love. She fights it by falling slowly. If ever you are in doubt, remember what mama told me. Brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls. Your back against the world. I never trade you for anybody else. The brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls. The best thing in the world. I never trade you for anybody else.
Pose like a trophy when Naomi's walking. She need an Oscar for the pretty dark skin. Pretty like Lupita when the camera's closing. Drip broke the levy when my Kelly's rolling. I think tonight she might break her break. Melanie too dark to throw her shade. She minds her business and winds her ways. Go like 24K. Okay.
Tonight I might fall in love. Depending on how you hold me. I'm glad that I'm calming down. Can't let no one come control me. Keep dancing and call it love. She fighting but falling slowly. If ever you are in doubt, remember what mama told me. Brown skin girl, your skin just
just like pearls. Back against the world. I never trade you for anybody else. A brown skin girl, that skin just like pearls. The best thing about the world. I never trade you for anybody else. See me like the earth, you be giving birth. To everything alive, baby, know your worth. I love everything about you, from your nappy curls to every single curve, your body natural. Same skin that was broken, needle. Same skin taking over. Most things out of focus view, but when you're in the room, they notice you. 'Cause you're beautiful. Yeah, you're beautiful. Brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls. You're the best thing about the world. I never trade you for anybody else.
Brown skin girl, guys. Wow. It is dedicated to
You have to come home. We've really needed you. You're the king.
Africa. Hello.
The other sun and the moon bow for you, but you won't open your eyes. I'm all by my bracket. I see a roof on my body. Tick-tock, pretty baby. You can get it back, don't you waste it. Broke on your back, gotta face it. Oh yeah, you're the king of the kingdom. Oh, you already don't know what's inside. You're the key to the kingdom.
I love you, guys.
So believe, even if you can't see, I'll never leave. 'Cause you're the key to the kingdom. You're the key to the kingdom. It's some things you have to know. It goes automatic when you feel you've had enough. You gotta breathe. Just remember who you are. You forget to do the stuff. Even the strong get weak. You're the key, you're the key. I'm pretty baby. You can get it back on your waist. Roll from your past, gotta face it. Oh yeah, yeah. Tick-tock, pretty baby. You can get it back on your waist. Roll from your past, gotta face it. Oh yeah, you're the key to the kingdom.
Eyes might not see the greatness inside you that lies within. Oh yeah, come sit on your throne. You know go stay down for long. Whenever in doubt and alone, just remember you're the king of the kingdom.
Pretty baby, you can get it back on your waist. Roll from your past, gotta face it. Oh yeah, yeah. Tick-tock, pretty baby, you can get it back on your waist. Roll from your past, gotta face it. Oh yeah,
You're the key to the kingdom.
Who are you? I know exactly who I am. The question is, who are you?
I'm nobody, so leave me alone, all right?
Everybody is somebody, even a nobody.
Yeah, I think you're confused.
I'm confused. You don't even know who you are.
Oh, and I suppose you do.
Follow me. I will show you.
Okay, so all in all, guys, I'm impressed with the album. It'll definitely take some more listening to get to know the songs. This was the first impressions video. And I really hope you guys liked the videos. The songs, wow. I really hope you guys liked the songs just like I did. My Africa stand up. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy your week. Have a great day, have a great week. And play Biza till the end.